An ISO certificate alone does not guarantee stable production. Real ISO discipline is proven when quality stays consistent, shipment after shipment. Many suppliers display ISO certificates, but inconsistent quality, weak process control, unstable production, and poor traceability still create operational problems. And when production systems are not properly controlled, international buyers absorb the risk. At Huong Packaging, our PP woven bag manufacturing system is built around standardized operational control, designed to support repeatable production, traceable workflow, and stable export supply, not temporary quality, but operational consistency maintained every day. From polypropylene extrusion, to tape stretching, to circular weaving, to coating, BOPP lamination, printing, cutting, and sewing, every production stage follows documented operating procedures, monitored workflow systems, and controlled production parameters, because ISO-certified manufacturing depends on repeatable operational discipline, not assumptions. Every production batch is monitored, inspected, and documented throughout the manufacturing process, including fabric strength, weight consistency, print alignment, coating quality, and finishing performance, with controlled QC checkpoints, inspection records, and traceable production documentation, because international buyers require measurable consistency, not visual promises. Export quality packaging must perform beyond factory inspection. It must remain stable during filling operations, pallet stacking, export transportation, warehouse handling, and international logistics flow. That's why controlled manufacturing systems matter. Our export packing systems are designed to support shipment stability and international logistics efficiency, including flat-packed export packing, organized bale compression, and container-optimized loading procedures, helping buyers reduce logistics risk while maintaining stable supply performance. International supply requires more than manufacturing. It requires responsiveness, communication, export coordination, and operational transparency. We provide clear production updates, shipment coordination, and stable export support throughout the process, because international business depends on predictability. We support buyers across the United States, Canada, GCC, and international markets, with repeat export shipments, standardized operational systems, and long-term supply cooperation, built around traceability, repeatability, and ISO-based manufacturing discipline. If your business depends on stable international supply, you don't just need a PP woven bag manufacturer with ISO certification. You need a manufacturing system that operates according to ISO discipline every day, every shipment, every order. Let's build export packaging supply you can trust with operational consistency designed for long-term international business.